we'll explore Python dictionaries, one of the most powerful and flexible data types in Python. Think of a dictionary like your phone's contact list. You look up a name and get details like a number or email. The name is the key, and rest of the values, the phone and the email, are values. To create a dictionary, use curly brackets and write key value pairs separated by colons, such as name and then Emma. Each key must be unique. Name, age, and grade, they're different, so they're unique. To access a value, just use the key in square brackets. Here, we're asking for the name. You can update a value by using its key or add a new one by assigning a new key value pair. This is how you do that. What if you want to remove something? Use the del keyword with the key you want to delete. Let's recap. A dictionary stores key value pairs and gives you fast, easy access to data. Use them whenever you need structured information. Thanks for watching. Try making your own dictionary in Python and see how useful they are for organizing data.